South Africa and Sri Lanka are all set to take part in a three-match ODI series starting Thursday, September 2 at the R. Premadasa Stadium. The Proteas will be led by Themba Bavuma but won't be having the services of Quinton de Kock, who will make his comeback in the subsequent T20I series. On the other hand, the Langans recently beat India in a T20I series and will be high on confidence. In this video, you will get the weather report, pitch report, stadium states, team news, Dream 11 prediction, head-to-head records, venue, match date, match and toss timings, live telecast about the first ODI match between Sri Lanka vs South Africa starting from 2nd September. Let's start. The first ODI match between Sri Lanka vs South Africa will be played at R. Premadasa Stadium in Colombo at 3 pm Indian time and 9:30 am GMT. Sri Lanka team tentatively playing 11 for first ODI match. Avishka Fernando, wicketkeeper Minod Bhanuka, Bhanuka Rajapaksa, Dhananjaya D. Silva, Charit Asalanaka, Captain Dashuna Shanaka, Vanindu Hasaranga, Nuwan Pradeep, Akila Dhananjaya, Dushmanta Chamira and Pravin Jaya Vikrama. South Africa team tentatively playing 11 for first ODI match. Janeman Malan, Aiden Markram, Captain Themba Bavuma, Rasivender Dusen, wicketkeeper Heinrich Klaasen, Devin Pretorius, George Linde, Andile Fehlukwayu, Kagiso Rabata, Enric Nokia and Tabrut Samsi. The first ODI match between Sri Lanka vs South Africa will be played at R. Premadasa Stadium in Colombo, Sri Lanka. Head-to-head states. Overall, both teams have played 77 ODI T20 international matches, out of which Sri Lanka have won 31 international matches and South Africa have won 44 matches. One match was no result and one match was tied. In Sri Lanka, total 24 matches have been played, out of which Sri Lanka have won 16 matches and South Africa have won 7 matches. 0 match was no result and 1 match was tied. Stadium states. In this R. Premadasa Stadium, total 134 international ODI matches have been played, out of which the batting first team have won 71 matches and the bowling first team have won 53 matches. The average first innings score in this stadium is 235 runs and the average second innings score in this stadium is 196 runs. The highest total recorded was 375 for 5 wickets by India and the lowest total recorded was 86 all out by Netherlands. The highest score chased was 288 for 5 by India and the lowest score defended was 204 for 7 wickets by Sri Lanka. Venue details and history. These are all the history and details of R. Premadasa Stadium in Colombo, Sri Lanka. Team news from Sri Lanka. The team news from Sri Lanka is coming that although Kusal Perera is in the squad, team doctors have suggested he will likely need to build up his fitness for a few days yet, which means Minod Bhanuka is likely to keep wicket again and open the batting again. Thus, Dinesh Chandimal is another keeping option, but Sri Lanka seems likely to play 3 frontline spinners, left-arm spinner Pravin Jaya Vikrama being the third. Team news from South Africa. South Africa are without the likes of Quinton de Kock, David Miller and Lungi Ngidi for this series. Pitch report. The pitch at the R. Premadasa Stadium in Colombo is on the slower side. It will assist the spinner from both sides. However, the batsmen enjoy this surface as the ball comes nicely onto the bat front. The deck is expected to slow down as the game progresses. Weather report. Temperatures in Colombo on Thursday are expected to be in the mid-20s. There are chances of rain in the morning and in the afternoon. Toss time and playing time. The toss of the match between Sri Lanka vs South Africa will start at 2:30 pm Indian time and the playing time will start at 3 pm Indian time and Sri Lanka time and 11:30 am in South Africa time. Live telecast and live streaming. In India, the live match will be telecasted in Sony 10-2, in Sri Lanka it will be telecasted in Siatha TV and in South Africa it will be telecasted in Super Sports. For online platform, you can watch in Sony Live app in India and Sri Lanka Cricket YouTube channel in Sri Lanka. So, after all the analysis, the match prediction is Sri Lanka will win this match. So, according to you, who will win this match? Comment down. Thank you. If you like this video, then please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.